The Tripura government has launched an investigation into the alleged cash for marks scam at the Tripura Medical College, as stated Chief Minister Manik Saha. He assured that the government is committed to eliminating malpractices in education and will take strict action against any wrongdoings. Well, CM Saha also holds the education and health portfolios, refrain from disclosing the specific details, but emphasized that those found guilty will not be spared. Reportedly, the scam came to light after 3 first-year of the MBBS students at TMC alleged that they were approached with offers of improved marks in exchange for money during their semester exams. The incident has raised serious concerns about the integrity of the examination process at the institution. Expressing his concern, Saha, who is also a former faculty member at TMC, stressed the need to put an end to such unethical practices. Sources indicated that the crime branch of Tripura Police is handling the probe. While no arrests have been made so far, a CB team has been questioning TMC officials and faculty members in connection with the case. As the investigation progresses, the government's response will be closely watched, especially given the implications of such a scam on the credibility of medical education in the state.
আমি ভালোভাবে দেখে নিয়ে যখন আমার কাছে খবর এসেছে আমি কিন্তু সাথে সাথে বলেছি যে আইনগতভাবে যা করার তাই করতে হবে। এখন দেখতে হবে এর মধ্যে মানে যে কোনো ঘটনা যে কোনো জায়গায় হতে পারে, কিন্তু আমরা তার জন্য এটাকে বন্ধ করার এই ধরনের যে প্র্যাকটিস যদি হয়ে থাকে, এটা এখন ইনভেস্টিগেশন পর্যায়ে আছে। যখন ইনভেস্টিগেশনের রেজাল্ট আসবে আরও বিস্তরভাবে আমি বলতে পারব, কিন্তু আমরা কোনো অবস্থায় এটাকে আমরা মেনে নিতে পারবো না যদি হয়ে থাকে।